Hi, I'm Guillermo, and I run a software studio called Seven Sigma, where we build SaaS products for our clients. And today, I want to share with you the most pressing, the most common question we get when we speak with our clients or new prospects. And the question is, how can I integrate or how can I build my product using AI? And here's the thing, I understand that because AI is all over the place, all over the news, everyone is talking about it, and everyone wants to find some sort of way to integrate AI into their new product, their new idea, or if they have a business, they want to find ways to use AI. And we tend to get a lot of consultations and a lot of questions about this. And I want to share the way we think about it and the way we share with our clients how we approach this. And here's the thing, the marketing or the how people are thinking about AI is usually not wrong, but it's misleading and not very useful. People like to think about AI as this black box, this magic wand that you can swing and then you get a product. And that's not really how it works, or at least not today. That's the promise of AGI, artificial general intelligence, where eventually you'll be able to do exactly that. You'll be able to just throw any problem at AI and it will solve it for you. However, that's not the case today. And the way we share, the way we approach this is, okay, take a step back and let's think about the ideas, the product ideas, the problems that you've been having and the solutions that you've been coming up with, and think about the limitations that you had before and think about where AI can fill in some of those gaps to put together a cohesive solution that you couldn't do before. So let me give you a couple of concrete examples that exemplifies this very well. So for example, let's take a use case, social media posting, right? So before AI, and by the way, we are talking about generative AI. There's been AI for many years, but generative AI is what we're talking about now. So social media posting, and the clearest case, something like Twitter or LinkedIn, when it's text that you're posting, right? So before, you could already automate posting, you could already do all this logistical stuff. The bottleneck was that you couldn't create posts that were automated, right? So the big problem, which is social media posting, you already had most of the solution before AI. You could log into your account, you could post, you could engage. However, the thing that was difficult to automate, which was the creation, now you have that gap, right? So that's where you plug in your AI, you plug in your ChatGPT or your OpenAI model or any other model, and now you have the entire solution. So that's one example. Another one is very similar, email, handling email, automating email. Now, before you could read your email, you've always been able to connect a tool to your email, read your email and sort of classify things with a simple filter, yeah, right? You could say, okay, it contains this word or it contains this sentence, and that's a spam. Now, you already had the entire flow. The only missing piece that you needed was something that understands email and something that can potentially draft an email. So those are the two areas where okay, now you plug in AI and you can have a model or some sort of setup that email comes in, no need for AI, then classifies it, AI, and then writes a response based on some fuzzy rules that you couldn't do before, AI, and send it back, not AI, right? So those are the two elements, the parts where you couldn't really write a logic for, that now AI helps you do. So that's the right way to think about it. Where did you have gaps in your automation, in your process, and then see if AI can now fill in those gaps, and now you have an entire end-to-end solution that solves the problem. So what's my recommendation, or what's the approach that I would take and I encourage you to take when you think about something like this? So first, you want to break down the process that you're trying to automate. So again, with the two examples that I just shared, social media posting or managing email, there are parts which you can do very easily without AI, like fetching posts or logging into your account, or like deciding what to post. And then there are the pieces that you need AI for, and then seeing if those use cases you could solve them with AI. So in this way, you're breaking down big projects or big tasks into smaller tasks and being a lot more strategic and a lot more like a sniper into, I need the AI here, here, and here, not the entire problem. So hopefully this makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions, and otherwise I'll catch you next time.